Hi, I'm D. Sorry, had to lick my lips. It's cold. I'm in the wood line, about to ride through the woods in this trail that I found. So take a ride with me, enjoy the scenery, and hopefully you like it. Oh, you hear me huffing and puffing? It's cold out here, so don't be tripping, all right? Let's ride. That's a train passing. That's that noise y'all hear. Give me a minute, let me get cranking. Here we go. There we go. While it may sound like I'm riding to a trail, there's actually concrete under here. That noise you hear is actually a train passing out there. I'm actually riding through the wood line to a trail. I'm gonna be quiet in a second because coming up on people who are walking, enjoying the ride. We're not scared of natives. Good morning. This trail actually runs out around the way, dead ends into private property. And yes, that is the wind kicking my behind. Whole lot of blowback because I'm riding into the wind. Oh, I'm at the end. Gotta turn around now. Trail closed, private property. Now I'm gonna take the nice ride back home. I come from a place where, so let's start over. I'm D. That's the only name I'm gonna give right now. Come from a place where it don't get cold. If it gets below 65, people put on long sweaters and say, oh, it's cold. Our idea of Christmas is being on the beach in shorts and t-shirt, hanging out, walking around, not have on a whole lot of clothes because you're freezing and you can't go outside, or you don't want to go outside without coats and jackets and stuff. But hey, to each his own. So what am I here? Let's see, I usually ride this area pretty frequently because it's relatively cool. Hello. relatively nice to ride. You don't have to deal with traffic. You can just ride and be okay. So that's why I come through here. I like it, even though it's woodline, and yeah, we don't really like going in woods because I don't deal with no bears and none of that. But in the neighborhood I am in, I'm actually like inside of a city, within a city or county or whatever they call it. So I've never heard of any bears. I know we have the little fox and jackals and whatever them creatures are, but no bears. So yeah, I come to the woods and not have to worry about it. Coming back to the start or the end of the trail where I started, as you can see, you can't even see the concrete because the leaves had pretty much fallen and covered it. By the time you can see the concrete again, it would be snow on the ground or black ice, since it's relatively wet through here too. So I don't know if I'm going to be riding through here when it's colder, but hey, you never know. I do have cold gear. You realize the theme of this is about cold and not being cold, right? Okay, so here we are, back out where we started, and I'll shut up now and just ride. Thank you for taking the ride with me.